Hello, everyone. Today, we're delving into the wonderful world of Jira, that powerful tool that can help streamline your project management process. Specifically, we're going to explore how to add more columns and statuses to your Jira Scrum board. By the end of this video, you'll be able to customize your board according to your team's processes, allowing for a clearer, more tailored view and workflow, maximizing productivity and efficiency. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First off, you'll need to navigate to your Scrum board. See the board name? Yep, that one. Click right next to it and presto. A variety of options will appear, but from this smorgasbord, we're selecting Board Settings. Once we're in there, you'll want to find the Columns tab. This little guy is the epicenter where the magic happens, where you can control the various stages your tasks navigate through your workflow. To add a new column, find the Add Column button on the right side of the screen and give it a good click. A fresh, clean slate of endless possibilities will appear as a new column. At this point, the new column will be rather anonymously named. And we can't have that, can we? Click on its name to give it a distinctive personality that suits your process. Press Enter once you've baptized this newcomer to your board. The specifics of statuses. If your board requires a new status, you're in the right place. Find the Add Status button and give it a click. But here's the thing. You need to be a project administrator to do this. So make sure you got the rights before you run into a wall. Now, this part's like configuring a digital jigsaw puzzle. Fun and essential. You need to map statuses to columns. Go on, take those statuses from the Unmapped Statuses panel and move them into the right columns. Here's where you create the perfect flow for your tasks, from the beginning to the very end. A few things to note before I let you loose. Permissions are crucial. You need to be a project or board administrator to execute these customizations. Also, if your board uses a simplified workflow, every time you add a new column, Jira will conveniently create a new status for that column. When you're adding a new column, Jira will ask you to select a category, like To Do, In Progress, or Done. It's helpful to think of them as stages of task completion. Finally, Jira even allows you to have control over the way your columns are ordered. Simply click and drag column headers to rearrange them according to your liking. And there you have it, folks. With these tweaks, you can configure your Scrum board to mirror your team's unique workflow, making Jira even more of a force to reckon with. Don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions or if you found this video helpful. And remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Master your tools, and let's conquer those projects together, one status at a time.